is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Uber Eats promo codes. Now these promo codes are going to save you tons of money because you can get free Uber Eats account credit, or you can even get free food on Uber Eats by simply applying a simple promo code. Now these promo codes are somewhat limited, so you've got to make sure you do this as soon as you watch the video. And don't worry guys, it's super easy. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen, putting it here so you can all follow along at home and get your free Uber Eats promo codes. So let me start recording my mobile phone screen and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so you should now see my screen. Basically you need to grab your mobile phone and go to your internet browser. It doesn't matter if you use Chrome, Safari, and it doesn't matter if you're on Android or iOS. And you need to go to this website guys, www.speedycoupons.com. Now you can read the screen on how to spell it, but it's pretty self-explanatory here. So you've got to go to this website. Go directly to the website guys by typing in that website address, and you can see there is loads of stuff. I've been working my way through and getting coupon codes for all of these. There's even game codes and gift card codes here, but basically you need to either scroll down and search for the Uber Eats page, or you can go up to this search bar here and just simply type Uber Eats and you should see it pop up like so. Tap to open that page up. You see there's coupons left. They're somewhat limited, so that's why I said you should be better do it quickly just in case it runs out. Now there's a couple of different coupons that you can choose here. As you can see, there's a $100 Uber Eats account credit, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's just gonna credit your Uber Eats account $100 or whatever $100 is in your local currency. And there is also get your next 3 Uber Eats food orders for free. So essentially, as you can see in the tips section here, it says work out what codes works better for you, free orders or free credit. So basically work out which one's going to be saving you more money basically. In this example I'm going to be doing the $100 account credit one, but the process is the same no matter what coupon you choose. So tap the show coupon button and you can see this will pop up, and basically this is a $100 Uber Eats account credit code, and there is part of the code here, but we need to unlock the remaining characters. As you can see, it's protected, so tap unlock code. Now this process takes a few seconds, so just be patient. Okay, so you can see this page here. Basically guys, long story short, we need to just complete 2 of these free tasks, and this unlocks your code. This just protects the codes from robots basically. So you can see we got a list of tasks here. We just need to complete 2 of them, and you can also read below each one the instructions on how to complete it. So for example, I'm going to be clicking on this one here that says answer the questions, fill in your valid details and confirm. Click on that one, just answer the question. So you just got to make sure you complete any 2 of these. It doesn't matter which ones you pick, as long as you you don't mind fully completing them. So I'll just go ahead and yep, so you can see I need to fill in some information because I chose to do this one. So let me choose a second one as well. This one's like an Amazon Prime, so I just need to start a free trial on Amazon. So let me go ahead and finish both of these off, and I'll return because I can see we're already at 5 minutes. So give me a couple of minutes, I'll do these and I'll be back. Okay guys, so as I just discussed, I just completed both of those tasks, and I had to make sure I fully completed the two I chose. But it doesn't matter, you can even choose like these application or games, where this one, for example, Family Island, download and open and complete level 8. But there are different tasks, and it doesn't matter what country you're in, you're going to get different ones. For example, on the US one, you can get TikTok. If you've not got TikTok, you can simply download and open the app, and that will work as well. But once you've completed 2 of these tasks, go to your tabs, and you can see this page has popped up down here, and there you go. It's now released my $100 Uber Eats account credit code, and it's as simple as that. I can then go ahead and copy this, and this is available to use for me. So these codes can only be used once. They're not like universal promo codes, they're personal and unique to you. That's why you need to go through these steps to get yours. And you simply apply the code, you get into the Uber Eats promo code page on the app or on the website, and it's going to just give you $100 to spend however you wish. So you need to go to speedycoupons.com, follow these steps in this video, and you can go and get your free Uber Eats promo codes. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have any questions in getting your Uber Eats codes, just leave a comment in the section below, and I'll be able to help anyone out who needs it. All I ask is you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your free Uber Eats codes. Cheers, I'll see you next time.